wow, I never knew I was so cool. Guys, I got a stapler. You're such a stupid! You're not cool with the stapler. He's pretty cool. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Yeah, Rocky seems pretty cool now. Yeah, Rocky's cool. The only time I saw Rocky. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! That's what he screamed. You're so cool, Rocky. Thanks! But I got a stapler. Anyone want to play Baby Shark with me? Baby Shark, do. Oh, my flower! Oh, look, I'll teach you how to do Baby Shark, because I come from the waters. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do. You're saying Baby Shark over and over again. Oh, I don't care. Oh, this is so fun. It's like an exercising routine. I mean, it's like an exercising tool. Yeah, it's an exercising tool, whatever. It has some staples in there. Give me the staples. Wait, there is? Oh, there is some staples. Come on, staples. Hey, Magic Finger. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Ow! Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark. Baby Shark. I only sing Baby Shark because Baby Shark is cool. I like Baby Shark. I ate all your staples. Yeah, look at all those staples. Hey, those are my staples. No, they're mine. Don't you like my stapler? Yeah, I like the stapler. Why do you keep shying at me? The stapler is pretty cool, but what can we do with it? We can bounce on it like a trampoline. Baby Shark, do. We can do it. No. That wasn't nice. I don't care. Red, you're scary. Stop. Bulby. Not Bulby. Bulby. What? Eat me. No. What about your mine? Mine. You mean that? Oh, that? I kind of sound like Kirby, but yeah, that. Wait, Kirby. Oh no, Bulborb or Bulby. Bulby. Oh, Bulborb. Watch out, Kirby's gonna come. Since he said his name, he's gonna come here. No, hide. I'm sorry, we didn't have enough time to hide. We're still here. Red Pikmin. Pikmin. There's some Pikmin. Calm down, Kirby. They're just Pikmin. And they're not fun anymore. They're still fun. Stupid. What? Yeah, stupid. What? You're so stupid. What? You're so stupid. What? Wait, what? Did we switch bodies again? Maybe. But just by talking to each other? The sun is so bright. Yeah. Get down. Okay, no, that lighting is terrible. Make it higher up. Okay, perfect. But Blue's brain! Why do you not like it? I don't like Pikmin anymore. They're stupid. End the video. People on the other side. Get out of the video. The video isn't enemy. Please, can you let me eat the sure. Just let me eat the sure. No. I like emojis. I like doors. You're so weird, Kirby. I know I'm weird. I like Pikmin.